formed. I don't know how many of us know about the North culture or have ever heard about the North culture. Have you heard of the North culture before?
The North culture.
Okay. Okay, very simple. The North culture came to be or was discovered in 1944 by Bernard Fark. Bernard Fark is a colonial anthropologist. Anthropologists are people who go to dig the ground and then they look for things like stones, things that are like images, for example, idols, those things they form with stone or with clay, and then they look for characteristics about how long has this thing been existing? Oh, which people are related to this kind of craft? Oh, this house was built like 1,000 years ago. Who was the architect and what was their culture like before? Like if you look at Egyptian buildings, all those tall buildings, you see some kind of symbols. You know, people walking with legs. You have seen this one before in Egypt. So this is a form of writing. When they went to Egypt, nobody knows what language they used to speak in Egypt before, like in the 19th century. 19th century is between 1800 and 1899. That's 19th century. This was the century, or is this 18th century?
18.
So it was during this time that French people came to Egypt, and then they began to this language, all these symbols, they must mean something. So let's know what they mean. And they now discover one stone. That stone looks like this. It was written in 3 languages. Egypt used to be colonized by many countries, in fact, after the Egyptians they lost their power, the Greeks came, they colonized them. There's one time the Assyrians came, they colonized them. Babylon came, they colonized them. The Persia came, that's Iran now, they colonized them. Every empire in the world wants to colonize Egypt. And they were welcome before the little everybody. So this Rosetta stone or this stone, it looks black.